what we are going to do now. Hello guys, if you know me, you know that I created a presentation in the previous lesson, but what we are going to do now, we are going to see some of the professional made PowerPoint templates and try to make them ourselves and create something like them, create something really amazing. For example, let's just copy the files that we need and then try to create something like them. For example, this is a good presentation, I think. Let us just download this thing. This is a good thing, I think. Let's download it for PowerPoint. Okay, it's going to download 52 meg. Okay, it's good, not bad. That means this is a really complete one. Let's wait it for it to download it. After we downloading it, we also have some downloads here. Luminous Design. We are going to try to create something like this. Easy one, but also very, very beautiful types. We are going to create our type of these templates. Okay, we are going to create some template in the, let's say, in the field of this template that we have here. Okay, let's start creating today. I officially start the creating of the templates today. Now let's try to create it in the next lessons. Have a nice time.